I'm hoping that most of you can hear me this morning, and I'm sorry for the delay. It was announced earlier today, and we are devastated at the loss of Mahlatse Mqhayi in grade 9G, and he was part of Robinson 5. It is certainly a very sad day here at King Edward, and it is most definitely a very sad day for the Mqhayi family. Can I ask that we now bow our heads in prayer, and we dedicate this prayer to Mahlatse, his family, and his friends. Dear God, at this moment nothing seems to be able to help the loss we feel. Our hearts are broken, and our spirit mourns. All we know is that your grace is sufficient. This day, this hour, moment by moment, we choose to lean on you. For when we are at our weakest, your strength is our strength. We pour out our grief to you and praise you that on one glorious day, when all suffering is extinguished and love has conquered, we shall walk together again. Amen. We were going to begin an initiative this morning through the head boy and the heads of school, but Glenn has requested that, given the death this morning of one of our own, that we delay the launch of that initiative, and I think that is most appropriate that we delay that, and we will do that next week. But it is my pleasure this morning to announce the Representative Council for Learners for 2021. And I would ask that as I call their names out, that they come down to my office, at which point I will greet them and congratulate them in person. This is a significant role that is played in the school, and we look forward to the input from these young men and the contribution that they will make to the school as a collective. The Representative Council of Learners, starting with Anderson House, is Dean Abbott and Iksan Govender, Croft House, Joshua King and Jared Smith. In Davis House, Ethan Rufus and Mikhail McNeil. In Grimmer, Simpiwe Mazibuku and Karabu Mamarakhane. Hill House, Ewan Mackenzie and Clement Jere. In Hofmeyer, Farhan Khan and Teo Nell. Robinson House, Tatu Mayamani and Liam Nunn. And in Schoolhouse, Tohoho Mokhatla, my apologies, and Fumani Baloy. But a bigger congratulations go to Dean Abbott, who has been voted as Vice President and President of the RCL for 2021, and our congratulations go to Simpiwe Mazibuka. Congrats, and if those boys would make their way down to my office right now. Let's give them a round of applause. Boys, just wait there. I'll be with you now. Okay, we'll put you on camera getting a congratulations once everyone's here. Right, the boys are at my door, but we'll just wait 1 or 2 minutes, and once they're all here, we'll get them to walk past and you'll see them receive their congratulations. Further announcements: King Edward, the 7th senior debating team, has once again struck gold. Our talented boys have accumulated 5 consecutive wins in rounds 1 to 5 of the Saki Debating League. These debates were held on the 6th and 13th of March, and all competitions were conducted online. The boys competed and beat the following schools: St. David's, Parktown Girls High School, Eden Glen High School, Jeppe Boys High School, and Trinity House Rand Park. Our congratulations to the entire debating team for a superb performance. Well done. And then some cricket results. Over the past week, we played a total of 15 matches against Pretoria Boys High School. We won 12 of those. My apologies, there's something on my screen. We won 12 of those, lost 1 and tied 2. Some significant results is that the under 14As won by 239 runs. Gekes scored 106, not out. The under 15A match, the game was tied, an unusual result, but each of the teams scored 202 for 7. The under 16As won their game by 201 runs. Tiga scoring 139, not out. The second team won by 20 runs, Greef taking 5 for 22, and then the first team sadly lost their game by 8 wickets. But congratulations to all our cricket teams for an outstanding set of results. Our gents, come in, have it, and then we'll open that door, and then you can come in and let's see if we get you in screen here. Right, come. Is that going to work here? Let me see. Right, well done, Dean. Thanks. Congrats. Right, come in, boys, one at a time. Open the door and go. Congrats. See, you captured on screen. Have a look. Well done. Congrats, gents. And if you'll just wait outside for me when you finish. Well done. Congrats, gentlemen. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Congrats. Well done. Congrats. Well done. Congrats. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Congrats. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Is that everybody? Right, school. Given the fact that this morning we have received such devastating news, the head boy has asked that once this assembly is completed, that all of the boys in the upper corridor of the main school block are to come out onto the corridor. The rest of the school are to come into the quadrangle around the cenotaph, where we will gather as a school and share in a moment's silence, and then do a school war cry in memory of Mahlatse Mqhayi. I please ask that you, as far as possible, observe social distancing and keep your masks on. But assembly is now complete and ended, and if you would come out onto the corridors so we can pay a fitting tribute to one of our brothers. Thank you.